It's your boy here. It's your boy. I don't want awesome rabbit. And pick funny because I'll sound a little bit gay. I'm here. I'm here with my friend Derek. He's in the back. No, Derek, come out here. Actually, I'm here with my friend. I'm here with my friends. Derek, 21 Savage. I'm pretty sure it's back here.
We're back here getting the dart for the helicopter.
We're gonna get. I'm gonna drive the helicopter. He's gonna be holding the camera. There's this helicopter right here. Yeah, it's this one. With the controller.
This one, okay.
So
in my last video, this part right here, the one that steers it, came off. So now, if you crash and it's tipped over, now it just goes straight into fidget spinner mode.
Okay, so I'm gonna be. Don't ask why my hair's so messed up. Cause I'm a savage. You're an average.
I'm a savage. You're an average.
No J. Paul. No J. Paul here.
Shout out to J. Paul.
Yeah. Okay. No.
Get that out of here right now. Everybody loves Jake Paul. Oh God. No, Jake Paul. He made his recent songs. Okay, Everyday Bro wasn't that good. The remix is kinda good. And it's Gucci in it too.
Just stop. I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Alright, so Derek's gonna be holding the camera, facing. Facing me. And make sure the camera.
How do you turn the camera around?
Pause it, I think. Anyway.
Okay.
That loaded?
I'm not gonna. Yes, it is.
Alright, go all the way over there. We're gonna test this. Oh, this is only for like an indoor. This is like an indoor.
Yeah, I'm gonna try shooting it, guys. Here.
You can probably put that,
Right there.
Yeah, so it does. We're good?
Yeah, we're good. Camera's hold. Remember, it has to be at a certain stage. I think you skipped me.
I think it died. Oh, you can look away. The helicopter wrong?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, turn on. Yeah, don't stop. That's cool. That's all you have to do.
See, fidget spinner. See, back off.
Yeah, it works. So we just have the helicopter off. Alright, it's a helicopter. It's gonna be a remote control helicopter versus dirt. Here we go. Number one. Alright, here we go. Round one. Go.
Oh, I went out of my vision. Lucy, back. Lucy. My God. Get.
It's in there.
It's getting hurt for a few minutes.
Alright, wrong side. You have one on the right side. Alright, round two. That was no one won. I'm gonna get thing on the script. Okay, go next side.
Okay, it's out of my vision. Try getting it high. Oh my God. Come on, flip it up and fight. Lucy, back. Hey, can y'all hold Lucy?
I'm gonna put it here. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna get it a little bit farther away from the pillar there. Alright, ready? Are we good?
Yes, we're good. Oh my God.
Hey, this is only Alright guys, we have some that is some things, we have some problems.
Okay, so he got too close to the floor right over there, because some of my things are loose. So Jack's back, and and he's trying to fix it right now. I'm gonna get on my phone and do this.
Hey, we're back. We're back with the control.
We had to untangle it.
I had to untangle it.
Well, yeah, he had to untangle it because I can't get stuff. Oh! Try not to make
Okay, get that way.
Try not to make it fly everywhere.
That's gonna be a no-brainer. Can you shut the door?
Try to close the door.
Yeah, please close the door unless you want this to get stuck. No, we need the door closed.
No, leave it sideways. Leave it sideways. Okay, close the door all the way.
Please close the door. There's no... Alright.
Sideways. Alright,
we're about to go. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, you're just gonna move.
God.
I missed.
You missed it, you hit it down?
Yeah, because it was coming after me. Obviously.
Alright.
I'm not gonna let something come after me.
You should. I'm gonna be over here. No.
I'm gonna get out of it. Get out of it.
He's not part.
No.
Hey, I'm gonna be over here now where you can't see me because I just need to.
And he doesn't want to get hurt.
Well, I'm gonna get hurt because I'm going back here. Hunter, can you like? Alright, well, Hunter ain't here.
I want to go in there.
No, oh my God, Hunter, come on, please. No, yeah, no.
God dang it!
Yeah.
Here, wait. Let me get a different gun.
Okay, no. Alright, Hunter, we both can't fit there, so you can be in the hall.
Hello.
Don't be in front of the camera. Don't be in front of the camera. Come on.
I'm trying to be friends with you.
No. Come on, no.
I'm trying to be friends with you.
We are friends. I just don't. Just need to.
Guys.
It just can't happen.
Guys, this plane is gonna die tonight.
Oh God. I put the camera in the better location so they can actually.
This.
Stop.
Shout out to Rival. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, but I'm just shouting it out. Swear to God, this camera's gonna get hit. Hunter, you may want to pick a better spot. Here, go over there. So go over there so you don't get hurt. I don't want you getting hurt. You may want to. Wait. I gotta get it ready.
Try keeping it. No, leave it right.
Now, okay, I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna be very far behind. Here we go.
Oh,
it hit my phone, dude.
I'm not. No, I didn't even hit it. It just fell. My rifle bullets. I missed it. I hit the wall. It hit like barely against the propellers, and it just.
Alright, here we go. Are you ready?
Wait. No, I have to reload.
Oh my God! Why did you shoot so many?
I didn't. These came out.
Oh my God.
I was trying to get one out, and all of them came out.
You sound like you hurry up.
I know. You don't have freaking patience.
No, I don't. No, don't shoot me. Yeah. Okay, I'll feel safe. Stop. Alright, here we go. Stop. Oh, that's
You
good.
can see like.
That's good for the phone.
No, get it away from the door.
It can't get inside though. Let's look. There's even gold bars there. So here you go, Michelle. Oh crap.
Oh,
This is round 3. Here you go, Michelle. Okay. Here you go, Michelle.
Here, wait.
Here, no, face it backwards, because he'll only go back. There you go.
Here, let me get backwards.
Are you ready?
Yeah. No, Hunter, get back in there.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
No, God. It's going to hit me.
It's up.
I missed.
If it gets past this gate, it wins. No, if it gets over there, beyond that, it wins.
Hunter, where's the other bullet? I gave it to you.
If you can hit this at least once, you win.
Hunter, I need you to hold this. I can't even hit it. I could easily hit it right now, Spike. Come on, get it in the camera angle.
I can't. Now stop. Here, put it back. Restart the thing. Go, restart the thing. Come on. Why does it look like it's beeping? Blinking. No.
I know, because every single second it beeps. So it's... Ow!
I'm sorry.
Wait!
I'm sorry.
Wait, I need to figure this out.
Are you ready?
There's nothing else.
Yeah, that's probably because the audio clip in there. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. You should. Okay.
Okay.
Oh crap!
Oh, it's still alive! Hunter! Where's those bullets? I need them.
No, we need to put this in the better view because like.